So the first thing is that now we have Redis running on flash memory as opposed to originally only on RAM. And this is a big revolution for Redis users because it cuts down the deployment cost of Redis, which naturally is relatively high because everything runs, the entire data set is in RAM. So with Redis on flash, you can cut down the underlying resources cost by 80–90%, which is significant. And this runs on SATA-based SSD, NVMe, NVDIMM, all these new persistent memory technologies. So that's the first thing. Second thing is we announce active geo-distribution for Redis, which means that you can deploy Redis globally in different data centers around the world, read and write separately to each one of them, but all those databases will be fully synced at any given time. And this, again, is something which is required for a long time by Redis users. It was a real challenge developing this because for a fast database such as Redis, it's not very easy to do all this conflict resolution, across the internet with internet latencies, etc. So we came up with a very advanced mathematical approach, which is called CRDT. And based on that, we developed the technology for active geo-distribution for Redis. The third thing is search engine with Redis. We call it RediSearch. And the idea is that you can now, with Redis, run searches, document searches, text searches, etc., in a very fast manner. Actually, in terms of performance, it is 5 to 10x faster than Elastic or Solar. And today we have a lot of interest in that, also from people who use other databases and will continue to use those other databases such as Oracle, for example, but they would like to index the database in Redis and run all the searches in Redis because you get sub-millisecond latencies.